Okay, so here we need to solve a fractional linear equations, solve for x, and we need to make sure that the answer is in simplified form if it's a fraction. So many students don't like fraction, right? So there's a 5 over 2 on the right side. We need to simplify this first, meaning what I usually do is I get rid of the denominator to make the equation look simpler. This one, it looks complex, right? And the way to do that is by multiplication property of equality, okay? So by the way, you can do this method. By the way, I'm gonna shortcut that multiplication property of equality by doing cross multiplication. And the reason why we can do that is because there's a 5 over t times 2x minus 7. If there's no parentheses here, we cannot do this method. So you have to make sure that number one, the operation on either side is purely multiplication. 2x minus 7 is considered one term. So it's like 5 over 3 times 2x minus 7. It's like that. So you can do this cross multiplication. And what do I mean by that is this. I want to remove that 3. So I will multiply that 3 to 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. And that will leave me only 5 on the left, and of course 2x minus 7. And if you look at this is a lot simpler than the original problem by just doing that method. So essentially what we did there is multiply 3 on both sides. Multiplication property of equality. Okay? So that's the first step. The next step is you distribute the 5 to 2x and negative 7. So I'll just copy the 12 first. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. Okay, so that's step number 2. Step number 3 is we want to remove that negative 35 because that's the number farther from x. The coefficient of x, which is 10, that's the last number that we will remove. So that's a negative 35. The inverse of that is positive 35. So I will add positive 35 on both sides, and that's gonna remove that negative 35 on the right. 12 plus 35 is equal to 47 equals 10x. Okay, and of course the last step is by dividing both sides by 10, and that's going to be the answer, 47 over 10. Maybe you're thinking, oh, that's just 4.7. Well, you are actually correct, but they're the same. Okay, let's go to the next one, and this is probably the last. So the first step again is multiply that 5 and 8. You are essentially doing the multiplication property of equality, the shortcut. Okay, so this is 40 equals 2 will remain there, negative x plus 4. Step number 1. Step number 2, distribute the 2. So 2 times negative x is negative 2x. 2 times 8 is positive. 2 times 4 is positive 8. Alright. So now we need to remove negative 2 and 8. The first number that you will remove is the number that is far from the x. Okay, coefficient of x is negative 2. That's the last number that you are going to remove. So I will add negative 8 here. I will add negative 8 on the left as well. Whatever you do on the right, you do it also on the left side. That's how you maintain the equality in an equation. So 40 plus negative 8, they have different signs. So you are going to subtract the 2, that's 32. And I want the x to be positive, so I will divide both sides by negative 2. So x equals negative 16.